All right, I'm going to try and cover the vocabulary assignment as quickly as I possibly can. Please note that I need you to make sure that you use the book for the vocabulary words. A quick and easy way is a Control F. It'll get you straight to the words and different examples and definitions. So that way you'll at least have an idea of the type of words you're using. Please do not Google or Chat GPT the answers. Every single time they come through, they are wrong, and I am sick of looking at Chat GPT answers. So please, I beg of you, I hate giving zeros, I really do. So just make sure that you're using the book super easy. Control F, ta-da! When you are doing the vocabulary assignment, what I want you to do is make sure that you're using the readings, you're using the movies, you're using anything we've used in class to create your sentences. Anything we've used in class to create your sentences. A lot of times I notice with students, it's usually easier if they use like a movie that they've watched, which is really important to watch the movie because it makes it a lot easier to use the vocabulary words, especially when you do the study guide quizzes. Like when you actually do those movie quizzes, yeah, makes this vocabulary assignment a lot easier. So give me a few hints there. Biggest thing is do not just define the terms. That's not what I want. I already know what the terms mean. That's easy. I can look it up. Done. What I need from you is I need you to show me how you would use it in a sentence using an example. Okay. So I'll give you an example of how I do not want it to look. So an example in which I do not want it to be would be the design of a study is a protocol. Well, I know that. I know that the design of a study is a protocol. You just define the term. That's not what I want. I want an example. So a correct way of using this, because you would also be using the movie Dallas Buyers Club, would be the protocol for the AZT experiment required each doctor. It was a double-blind study. So the protocol for the AZT experiment was a double-blind study in which the doctor and the patients did not know which of the pills was AZT. Okay. All right, so that one's kind of actually throws in a couple vocabulary words, but the point is I want you to show me what the protocol is. Again, a protocol is a design of a study, meaning the protocol would be if you'd have to wear gloves and a mask when you perform an experiment. Okay, so you don't have to use my example. I would rather you find your own. Plus, it was a little jumbly, but you get the hint, right? So you want to make sure you're using examples of how the word would be used. Like, what's an example of a protocol, you know? So, and how do you apply it from the movie? Okay, so movies, whichever works best, up to you. Okay, hope that you can see the difference in that. The whole point is don't just define the terms, use the movies, use the readings, use whatever you need to help show me you understand the definition, and please use examples, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to message me. You're gonna notice that I include the chapters for that vocabulary assignment. So for vocabulary 1, you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Vocabulary 2 is going to have 5 and 6, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that way you always know what vocabulary words I am looking for. Also, vocabulary words that I am looking for to use in class is going to be in the lecture. So please make sure you take a look at the lecture, and I include PowerPoints as well. If for some reason something is not working, message me, let me know. All right, go forth, have fun. It's actually a really cool assignment. It gets really fun when you kind of start to get a little bit more creative. So good luck and have fun with it.